Breaking the wall of needle drug delivery. Lalitphat Suppraphakorn, Falling Walls Lab, Thailand.
Hi, I'm Lalitphat, founder of Reflecto. Let's start with the questions. When was the last time you get a flu shot? How did it feel? Painful, scary, or just okay? For millions of people, a fear of needle is just a mild discomfort. It leads to life-changing consequences. People skip vaccines, miss crucial treatments, and put both their health and those people allow them at risk just because the fear of needles. But what if getting a shot feels like a gentle tap on your skin? At Reflecto, we're breaking the wall of traditional drug delivery. Our microspike technology is a game changer. It's a sub-meter-sized needle that penetrates the skin and delivers therapeutic agents in a pain-free manner. The microspike has a unique 4-star shape that's specially designed to create a microchannels at the base of each nano allow them. These microchannels mimic the natural absorption pathway of hair pore, allowing larger substance to be absorbed 100 times faster and more efficiently. And that's not all. The microspike technology is the only technology with the light-guided capabilities, allow link light, electricity, and waves to go into your skin and allowing more effective treatments for conditions like diabetes and obesity. And we didn't stop there. We have developed the fastest microneedle manufacturing process in the world, producing the largest, densest, and sharpest microneedle patch. With the microspike technology, we offer a transdermal drug delivery solutions with an enhanced control, a scalable manufacturing process that's adaptable with any injectable drugs, a business solution for biopharmas to cutting the clinical trial costs. And our microspike is versatile, with application in medical chronic conditions, vaccines, exosomes, phototherapy for hair growth and aesthetic treatment. So backed by a team of scientists and engineers, with manufacturers in Thailand and a strategic biopharma in Singapore, we are ready to revolutionize drug delivery on a global scale. We're not just changing how drugs are delivered, we're breaking the wall of needle drug delivery. Thank you.